In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Huion Canvas 13 to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the model of Huion Canvas that you have, you can easily connect it to a PC, a laptop, or an Android device. All that you need are the proper cables. As you can see, the connection is going to be the same regardless of the device. So if you have a smartphone, a tablet, or a PC or laptop. So the main and easiest way to connect it is by using a USB-C to USB-C cable. Don't worry, if your phone or your PC or laptop doesn't have one of these ports available, there is still an alternative method to get this to work, but this is going to be the primary option to connect the tablet itself to the device. And then you will have a secondary cable. This one will be used to give power to the display itself. So it is going to go into the power brick or the power adapter included with your canvas. And once you plug it in, as you can see, it is going to be a standard USB-A on the other end. Plug it into any wall outlet to give it the necessary amount of power. Once it is plugged in and it is receiving power, as long as you have it connected to your device like this, it is going to work. So you can connect it to a power bank, a power outlet, and the other cable is going to go into your device. Then, if you are doing this on a PC, it is recommended to download the necessary drivers, but on an Android device, usually it is going to be plug and play. For a PC or laptop, you can find the drivers available at huion.com. Just look for your Canvas 13 on the support page, and you will find the drivers, be it so Windows, macOS, Linux, and you can download them as needed, regardless of the generation that you have. You will find them available on the official website. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.